Test. A looking good. Yeah. Looking good. Yeah, I think it's good. Okie dokie. Sounds good. Okay. You're going to the site. So, what will we be doing today? Today we will be doing some programming with Raylib. The project I will be starting is a treehouse. It's basically just like a world I built for myself, and like a treehouse, or just some rooms I can walk around in, and where I just place random stuff in. The reason for that is spatial learning, if I can say so. It is that I'm just walking around and placing information for myself in certain rooms, so that I can just walk through this tree house basically and walk to information and then read about it. And then it's easier for me later to walk in my head through that treehouse and have a spatial connection to that information. That's like the whole idea, basically. Yes. So, where do we start? First, Raylib stuff. I already prepared this build Zig here. I fetched already the Raylib dependency with Zig fetch. This command here. Then here in this build.zig I then added the dependency for Raylib and RayGUI when I want to do some GUI stuff later on. Raylib. So, first things first, we're gonna do a config stuff. Window height. Let's do 800, and window width is 1000. Window title is treehouse. So there we go. Yeah, then we go init window. Const config config dot window with config dot window type not type window height. It's correct. With height, yes, title. Nice. We got that when we are just gonna set FPS, set target FPS to 60 while okay, apparently the video is private. What up, where can you change it? Oh no, wait. Hold up. How do I do this? Where hold on. Can I? Live stream. Oh, here. Yes. Okay. I hope everything works now. Yeah. Door should close. Yes. I guess now we are gonna have a window running, hopefully. Yay, black window. Let's go. It doesn't work. Okie dokie. So let's do stuff now. Will I begin drawing? I wanna. How do I wanna start this? dot clear background dot dark gray. I like that color. Dot draw text. Hello world. Position 0, 0. Font size and color 20 and green. Okay, there we go. Hello world. So, I think I want to go and just draw some basic shapes and rooms, and for me a way to walk around like a player. So let's start with a player. So I have something where I can walk. So Raylib Zig. Player, what does it have? X coordinate, Y. Maybe as velocity. What else? I think that's it for now. Init. I don't know how you guys do it, but usually I prefer to write self and just put this at the top of a file. So I also don't have to type add, just self. Let's just start the middle of the screen. Window with window height. Velocity 5. Let's go with that. So okay, now we got. Let's now just start drawing the player. I'm just gonna draw a dot circle for now. Raylib. Draw circle, I guess. Yes. Center. Don't forget to take self dot x, self dot y, radius, I guess, size 5. Let's go with 5. And color red. Then we can go here, player, player, here dot init, and there we just player dot draw. This should do it. Yeah, there we got a little dot now in the middle, but this one is too small. We gotta increase this. Maybe this is too much, I don't know. Yeah, maybe we'll go with 25. So, yeah, okay, this looks way better. The next, let's make the player walk. So I guess we can do this to scope the drawing just to here. In every frame we can do a player dot move. Then we go in here, move, and then we'll have to get some input. I'm just gonna use WASD for moving. How do you do input in Raylib? I guess dot pressed. No, press is key pressed. Yes, okay. So if Raylib is key down, we want to be able to hold the key. So is key down, keyboard key, okay, good. W. That's right. Keyboard key, yes. W. Then save dot y minus velocity times get frame time. Yes. This is what we'll do, and then we do this for all the other things. S for down, so this will be plus, and this will be D, and this will be A, and this will be X, and this will be X. Let's test this out then. Okay, we get an error here. Incompatible types I32 and F32. We're just gonna wait. I have the frame time is in seconds. I think we're just gonna switch this here to F32, so I think this will be easier. Then we won't have this problem, but we'll have to here convert those to integers. Int from float. Float. So size is okay. Okay, it works, but I'm super slow. Let's increase the velocity here. Let's set it to 25 also. Right. That's it. I guess we don't need to have it as a member. Then and then we don't need set for it anymore. So this works, but it's still way too slow. 100 maybe. Yeah, this works best, but I think I want to double it. Yeah, okay. This looks good now. Great. Let's do this. Yeah, I be using Z because that's nice, but I really love Helix. That's why I have a Helix mode in Z. It's mainly because I got like the file tree and stuff already in here, and that's nice. So yeah, when we got this actually, cool. I think we got this here now, and next I think I will be just doing the data structure for the rooms maybe, and then we can dynamically draw them, I guess. Let's pull out some Xcali draw. Yes. Oops. Let's put out some Xcali draw. I guess we have here the game. Then this can be like the starting room, and then you can have like here where you can walk, and then next to it here and here you can go to other rooms. And then from these on you can go also somewhere else. I guess I could just draw this however I want, or like manually I can just draw everything, or I can just draw it like dynamically, like where they're getting placed, like how like what ways you take to the rooms, I guess stays the same. So I only have to define like the room in itself, or I can yeah. I guess we can start with just actually let's go for the hard one. Let's draw those things dynamically. I always wanted to like visualize I guess binary tree somehow. So or like a tree in general, not only binary trees, but just like to see like the route, and then to draw. Like here you have the route, and then it's going from here, and how you should do it, because like in the middle here it's getting kind of close, so you have to think about like the size of the data structure, or like the depth of it first, and like how big like every node is, so you then you get like here like collisions, I guess. So you have to check first like how big it is, so you can like space them out more. Yeah, that's the idea. So now we can walk around, but I think we need 2D thing. First, I kind of want a camera to follow the player. So that's gonna be interesting. And I think so that we can see that well, it would be nice to draw some kind of grid. So dot grid, draw grid, slices. Let's go with 10 spacing. 100. No, 50. How does that look like? I have no clue if I can even see that. Draw grid centered at 0, 0, 0. Is that a 3D thing? I think so. Grid. Yeah. Draw grid. Okay, we're not getting anywhere, but okay, let's just stop with that, and let's go Raylib cheat sheet. There's begin mode 2D, and therefore you have to have a camera. Yes, that sounds good. Begin with custom camera 2D. Let's now find camera. Camera, where are you? Update camera. I guess we can just go here and initialize the camera. Camera 2D. Yes. Offset target rotation zoom. Begin and get matrix. No. Camera 2D. I think we just honestly do this. It doesn't have stuff. Target offset. What is the offset for this? Actually, let's go and look at some camera examples. Oh, not found apparently. Example, it's up. She is automated text shapes go. I guess camera input, basic window, 2D camera. I guess this is offset, I guess offset from 0, 0, if I'm guessing. Rectangle player, that's this guy. Buildings. Yeah, camera to D camera, it's just zeroed out, so every value is 0, I guess. Which means that offset, let's just initialize everything with 0. Okay, but I guess these are vector 2s, right? Yeah. Oh right, no. Here he's setting all things. Target is the player, so let's set the target at the player position. Vector 2, and so there we have player dot x and player dot y. So offset is half of the screen resolution. I guess I'm just doing this. So then I don't have to type this. Here, width, height, rotation, and zoom is 1. So let's go with that. Yes. Then we can go here. Camera dot begin differ and because I'm pretty sure begin mode 2D, yes. Now we can do all the drawing in here. So we still draw hello world at 0, 0, and we will draw the player. Let's actually see what this would give us for now. Okay, it looks like as before, but now we also have to update the camera. Let's write a small function set camera position to player. Oh my god, such a long name. It takes the camera to D and player cam dot offset, I guess it is. Oh, it's target. Target. Okay. P dot x, P dot y, y. p.x, p.y, that should work, I guess. And set camera rate. I can't type. Position. So okay, that is exactly the functionality that I want. Now we can just walk around, I guess. That's cool. We can now block the hello world. That's very cool. That's very cool. That means that we can, I guess, also start our player. We can actually set him at 0 also. So yeah, now we're at 0 and we can just go from here. That's cool. So, I guess we can rename this to follow player. Okay. Yes. Now we can go here, tree house. This will be now the data structure, I guess, however you want to call it. I guess it will have start, and start will be of type node. And what the fuck is a node? A node is a room. Okay. And a room we will define sometime. Import room. So start as a node, and then we can have children, and okay, start as node, and the node has children, I guess. Struct room children is equal to a slice of nodes. Yes. And then we have a starting node here. Yes. Let's go with and we can give a room for we can give it a name. We can just display the text one, and let's do that. So Raylib can actually render it. We can give it a name, and we can give it a size, for the rectangle that we will draw. So that can be of type vector2. That can be a vector2. So yeah, a name and size. We can init with a name u8, and then with and the vector2 is f32. So okay. F32 height f32. Return name dot size vector2 dot init width and height. Nope. Yes. Okay. Then we can go draw, which will take self and dot draw, I guess, but we will take the coordinates here: x 832, y 832. Draw rectangle. Draw rectangle. X y set dot size dot x, and then set dot size dot y, and then we dot read. So we can do that.